Good morning, traders. How's everybody doing? Just dip RAD at the dip of 15. You guys seen the little support I had at 15? A little crossover strategy going up. Right now, I have 400 shares, up $846. Couldn't get the entry in, you guys, because I was focused. Sometimes I try to record and I just try to force a trade. So I just press record as soon as I get in, and I locked it in on this side. So I just kept a few more. Just trying to see if this thing cracks the 1550 area as next resistance, you guys. A lot of people ask me for live trades, you guys, so that's why I started doing live trades now, just to show you guys how it is when you're doing when it's live, what I'm thinking about, what I'm looking at. Right now we're watching times and sales. We want to see big size coming in. I know a lot of people shorted RAD this morning. I just basically bought into their covering again. Same strategy as yesterday. Here we go, you guys. Going to add on 400 shares. Just added on 400 shares. Got 1,300 shares at the average of 1537 so far. We're going to take off about half of that. We just took off 700 shares, you guys. So far locked it in. I got 600 shares left, you guys. Want to see the break of the 1560 with the rest. Let's see if it happens. Half of 600 shares. We're going to see if it breaks it or not. As long as this thing stays above VWAP, I know there's a lot of pressure, a lot of shorts attacking right now. Just cracked below the 1550, you guys. Right now we're trying to get above the 9 EMA. Let's see if shorts come back in again. Watching level 2 real fast. Got a big seller that came in here, though. He tried to hold it up. He couldn't. Below 1530, you guys, I'll take off 300 shares. And below 15 is the rest of the risk. If I see 29 on level 2, I'll take off half. And then below 15 will be the rest of the half. Sometimes patience goes against us, you guys. I'll select the last couple of trades, but I can't change the strategy, you guys. The strategy's been working for a while, so I can't switch it up, so I got to stick to my plan. Even though I give back a couple dollars sometimes, but a lot of times it goes in my favor too. Let's see what happens on this one. Let's see if we're being over patient today or not. Here come the buyers back in here at 1537. Trying above it. They got some supply at the 9, you guys. I want to see a lot of buyers coming in. No big wall yet on the level 2 for the buyers. Spreads 2 cents apart. Bidders stepping it up a little bit. Just added 300 shares, you guys. Watching the bidders. Just added 300 shares. Gonna have 600 shares ready on the level 2. On the market, I mean. On the crack of 50, hopefully. Uh-oh, we're just cracking. We're cracking. Let's see if it holds a 30. Still have the same risk, you guys. Still have the same risk. If I see 29 on the bid, I'll sell. I'll sell 600 shares and hold 300 shares. Uh-oh, here we go. Here we go. Here's the 30 test. Here's the 30 test, you guys. Okay, just sold. Sold a little bit. Sold a little bit, taking off risk, you guys. Gave a little bit back, over patient, I guess, again. Let's see if it holds VWAP in the 15 area. A lot of sellers coming in, a lot of sellers coming in. This thing's down 5% on the day, huge down day. Let's see what happens. So far, it's holding VWAP so far. So what I just do, you guys, I bought back 300 again. Just waited on the reaction. Just waited on the reaction, trying to get above VWAP in the 9. Should have gave it a few more seconds though, but let's see if it cracks the 9. Got a lot of pressure right now, both sides. Flag forming on the 1 minute, small flag. Let's see if it cracks the 9, you guys. Let's see if old resistance becomes new support right here. If that cracks this area, I'll take off the what I added, and I'll just hold 200 shares. I messed up not selling the rest into strength right there, you guys. Bidder stepping it up a little bit, trying to see if we can get past this 1542 real fast. We got 1540, big seller at 1540. Just took off 300 shares right there at 1540, you guys, because we got through that seller, but I don't trust it too much. Gonna hold the rest just to see if the test for 1560, 1575. Our target area is the 15 between this area and this area, hopefully. See if it cracks the 1550 with the rest. Have this ready, you guys. I will try to have a little patience with this little squeeze right here. Giving it back so far, giving it back. Below VWAP, you guys. If it cracks our next support below VWAP is our new risk. We're going to get rid of the last 300 shares. Thanks for everybody who gave me a thumbs up yesterday and left a comment on the video, you guys. As a gift to you guys for New Year's, I'll give whoever needs it like a free consultation. You know, I do stock coach sessions, so whoever wants it, just email me. I'll give you a free coaching. Try to diagnose what's wrong with you. Mostly it's not the strategy, guys. Mostly it's you, it's your psychology and trading, and just hit me up, you guys, whoever needs that. So so far we are up. I'm thinking about adding a couple hundred shares since we're cracking so far. Let's see if it holds the 1550, if it holds the 9. If it holds it decently, I might add on. Just added, you guys, a little bit. Just added a little, got the average to 1541. If it goes below below this, we'll take off what I added. I just paid like $6 or whatever in commission, but it's just a chance, see if it's going to take it or not. Let's see if it breaks or if this double tops right here. This is the problem. We could get a breakout, we could get a double top. If it breaks this far, all these shorts that shorted right here, they're going to be underwater. But let's see if they try to add on or if buyers try to hold it up. 1550 is just broke. Let's see if they crack it or not. 1550 is becoming new resistance. Let's see if it cracks. We have a small wall right there. Small wall. Let's see if we can get through them. We need bigger size on the level 2. A few guys trying to push it above there. A few guys trying to push it above there. Trying to take off 300 shares at 1560 area, hopefully. Because that's next resistance. Just took off 300 shares, you guys. 200 shares left, hopefully for the test of the past the 1580, or we'll see if we could get to the 16 right now. Waiting for the crack of 1560. If it cracks here, might add on back 100, you guys. Just added 100. I want to see the test of 1585. Let's see if it cracks. New average is 1551. Let's see if it holds or if this becomes resistance. This might do our little red to green move. If they stop shorting this thing right here. Just took off another 200 shares, you guys, because it was having a hard time right there. It's having a little hard time, so we're going to sell it, just a couple hundred lock-in profits just in case. To me, it looks like it's still going to go to 16, but we just took off a couple hundred just to take off risk and lock in profits, you guys. It's a good way to end the year with a decent green day. It's been a good week, good month, good year, you guys. I hope everybody has a good year next year, a great decade, and your year is great, prosperous, blessed. Here we're breaking the 1570, 1580 so far, you guys. I think I'm going to lock it in, you guys, because it's really close to my target. I'm going to give it 10 seconds, see if it gets to my target. If not, we're out this thing. We're going to call it a short day today. Let's see what happens. I'm going to give it an early dismissal today, you guys. It's New Year's Eve. This thing's getting eaten up at 16. Let's see if it reaches our target, you guys. Let's see. Just 100 shares left. Finger on the trigger. Shorts are covering right here. Shorts are going to start covering past this red line. We're going to get, if they get above there. So far we don't have a good level 2. We have a lot of sellers up there so far. Let's see if we can get through them. Big buyers coming in. Watch the volume, you guys. Watch the volume. We're going to get the test of 16. Let's see if it gets past 16. This is a little red to green move. This could be going red to green in 1 minute. Just want to see if this thing cracks 16 or not. If this thing cracks 16, we could have a red to green to move. Watch the volume, you guys. Watch the times of sales. Watch the speed and the size and the times of sales. Let's see what happens. I could be wrong, but let's see what happens past here. Here we go, you guys. Here we go. Here we go. Let's see what happens. They're eating it up. They're fighting. Let's see. Buyers trying to push it up. Push it up. Couple more pennies. We got a few sellers at 16. We got a few sellers. The bid just cracked 16, you guys. The bid just cracked 16. The bid just cracked 16. You guys seen this thing crack? You guys seen this thing crack? I am gone. This thing just had a red to green move. I didn't want to get greedy. Plan the trade. Trade the plan. $837 in about 20 minutes, you guys. Happy New Year's to everyone. See y'all next year. Peace out.